Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. Now before we start the analysis, if you are new to this channel, then make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification. After watching this video, if you find some values, so subscribe and like. And below the video, you will find many links. The top 4 links are for those people who wants to make money in swing trading. Okay, so the first link says swing trading on automation, so you can click on this link, then come to this page here, and then this is the the software I have created, which you can install on your chart and start your daily swing trading. Okay, so maybe I'm the first human on the planet to automate daily swing trading, so I have transferred my human knowledge into this robot, and everything is created by me. So if you want to automate the whole process of daily charts into trading, then check out the first link below which says swing trading on automation. Then second link is about join free Telegram. So make sure you connect with my free Telegram at least if you want to get some signals every now and then, or you want to stay updated. So join Telegram absolutely for free. Just below that, you have a link which says join premium signals. So in case you want to get some premium signals, you can check that out. And then check out the brokers in the prop firm right here. And make sure you join these brokers because I have been using them for last maybe 4 years and more. And they have, no issues in withdrawals, because when you are into trading, the biggest problem is if your broker will pay you the money on time or not, or if they will run away with your money. Okay, so these are those trusted brokers in the pro firms. So go and join them to start your trading journey. Subscribe, like all of that, and check out these links. As I said, top 4 links are for traders, and these below links are for affiliate marketing. If you want to make money with affiliate marketing on YouTube or other stuff. Okay, so you can check out everything. Top 4 belongs to the traders, right? And especially if you want to automate everything, then check out the first one and come to this page, watch this video to see the results. Now subscribe, like blah blah blah. Now let's start the analysis. All right, GBPUSD analysis today. So let's start the top down approach with weekly time frame. Weekly we are going down. So great. If you had any common sense, then after this rejection in weekly on last Friday, you were supposed to understand that after rejection we were supposed to go down, because I've told many times now this is your official downtrend. Coming back to daily chart, daily we were on this candle yesterday. Okay, yesterday we were here, and I recorded the video, uploaded the video on my channel. Go and watch my yesterday's video. We were here and I told you we will go down. That's exactly what happened. If you entered short yesterday on this candle, you made the whole move of 100 pips, whatever, who cares, right? 4 hour, coming back to 4 hour, well, price is gonna take down this low. Okay, so we still have room to go until this line here. So this red candle will still go for this low in daily. But if you want smart entry, you want to wait, then let the pullback, let this downtrend over. So the price will come down maybe until here. Then the pullback will happen. So your entry might come next week now. If you want to enter swing trading, okay? If you want to enter swing trade, then your entry will come next week now, because this downtrend will continue tonight maybe, and then from tomorrow onwards I think the pullback will happen. So after the pullback happens until the EMI, the blue candles, rejection, then red candle, then you go down. Go and watch my Euro USD video. I'm telling you the same thing. Subscribe, like, share if that's not too much.